Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a look with the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and also we're going to be reviewing the Colourpop Just a Tint. This is a lip crayon, so I ordered this in the shade Gimme S'more. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, give it a thumbs up so YouTube will let other people know that they would like to see the same content as you. Subscribe if you are not already, and let's just get into the eyeshadow tutorial. So here's the packaging. It's white with some yellow lettering, and opening it up, there's no mirror, but there are 12 shadows. They all look very beautiful. I'm really interested in this one right here. You guys know I love my yellows. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I guess I won't use yellow in this. I will spare you guys I don't know. I'm gonna go in with Champs. This is just sort of pinky shade. You hear my girls running upstairs. They're playing. This is sort of just a little pinky hint. It's very important to go in when doing an eye look to build up the transition color, you know, very light, darker, and darker to really get that gradient, effect, cohesive look. Then I'm going to take Big Cocktails, and this is, by the way, a Morphe M441 brush. So this shade is really pigmented, sort of a pinky terracotta shade, both rolled into one. I'm not going to cut, eyes or anything because this is just an eyeshadow tutorial really quickly, and also the lip product review. I only got one because these collections are not sent to me. I buy them on my own, so I didn't want to waste a whole bunch of money and have a whole bunch of colors that I really did not like. Hope you guys can understand. But we're just going to be reviewing them and seeing what we can do. I really, really, really want to go in with that yellow. What do you guys think? Will you be mad? No. It's called Mischief. I'm interested in the Colourpop yellow formula. Ooh, there's heaps of, fallout here. It's not as pigmented, but it's there. Just maybe takes a little bit of building, so I'm going to apply that shade and be right back. That color just took a little bit of building, but I can definitely see it and I'm not mad at it. I'm going to take GNO right here on my Sigma E25, just tapping this color on the outer edge. It is a darker color, and this is just the process that I do. And then I'm going to bring it in, probably about halfway. It's really pretty. GNO. You know? I'm ridiculous. But it's very pigmented. It's like an orangey, deep, it's like an orangey brownie type color. It's really beautiful. Oh, I'm creating a sunset look, aren't I? It's gorgeous though. These shades are beautiful. The formula is bomb. And of course, Colourpop is cruelty free, which I can always appreciate. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same GNO shade and go ahead and apply that. It always seems less pigmented on the lower lash line for some reason, but that is okay. We can just build it up. Really very pretty. I wonder what shimmer I'm going to use. There are some pretty ones. This is a really nice summery palette, don't you guys think? Summery or fall? I'm catching some fall vibes from here too. I'm drawn toward this shade right here. I don't know if you can see it, I'll swatch it. Really beautiful. So I think I'm going to pack that on with my ring finger. Oh my word. That is so beautiful, guys. And I thought I loved that, the Sweet Talk palette. This one takes the cake on it for me. These are my shades. So, you guys, I just created this eye look. This is all I'm going to do. I'm going to go pop on some falsies, liner, and I'll be right back and we'll review the lip product. Alright, so I've popped on my Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner. I love it. And my Nakia Joy Cosmetics Victoria lashes. I love these lashes. They are amazing. If you haven't checked out her line of lashes, definitely do so. I'm waiting on her setting powder and her highlighter palette as well to review together for you and let you know if it's worth the purchase. But the quality of her lashes and yeah. I love her as a YouTuber, so definitely check her out if you haven't already. I will link her down below. I can assure you that the quality is going to be spot on. So let's move on to the lips. So I also got this Fourth Ray Watermelon Milk. Let me know if you guys want a review on this watermelon milk. It says, watermelon face milk, a refreshing drop of moisture to balance skin, formulated with watermelon seed oil, bamboo milk, cucumber water, and aloe. This lightweight formula will replenish hydration for a healthier, softer complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. Of course, it's cruelty-free and vegan. Colourpop that's what they are known for. So let's get into this color stick. So it's Colourpop Just a Hint. Looks like this. I think these retail for like $6. I got my shade in the Gimme Some More. So it looks like this. I will swatch it on the back of my hand. So this is a really beautiful nude color and I'm all about it. Let's apply this to the lips with no lip liner. Oh, that's so pretty. They're really easy to use. They have a scent. Almost a fruity scent, but not in the best way. Really, really thin formula, glidey. This is a beautiful shade. My first impression, I absolutely love the color. It's not gloppy, it's not sticky. There are no strings. It's the perfect consistency. And I suppose when this crayon wears down, you can roll it up. There's a twister for it. Yeah, this is great to have in the purse, on the go, just for like a tint, a nice gloss. It's the perfect color. It actually looks like I'm wearing a lipstick and a gloss at the same time. So I really, really like this. It's more than just a tint. This reminds me of a good lipstick. What do you guys think? I think this is totally worth the investment, and I am so impressed with this Yes Please palette. If you guys don't have an eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, I would invest in the Sweet Talk palette or this one. There's so many looks you can do. Look at the great look I've created. It's so pretty. For summer, spring, it's gorgeous. There's endless options you can do with this palette. You can go in with just mattes, this matte, and create a really beautiful everyday look. I think this is my favorite palette and it was only $12. Sweet Talk is only $12. I highly recommend Colourpop. I'm on a roll with Colourpop. I just did my first haul a couple of weeks ago. Check out that video using the Sweet Talk palette and the highlighter and blush sticks from Colourpop. I did a review on that. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, otherwise YouTube will not let you know when I upload. Follow me over on Instagram at AshleyLamore26 so that you will be notified every time I upload and a chance to win one of my bi-weekly giveaways. So with that, I will end this video. I love you all. Until I see you in my next video again. Bye, guys.